Hello, this is Anushka Wani, editor for Efficient Manufacturing Magazine. We are here at Imtex 2025 and we are here at the Meba booth. We have with us Mr. Vikram Khatri from Meba, and let's hear it from him on his expectations from Imtex 2025. So, welcome, sir. So, if you could shed some light on your expectations from this Imtex.
Okay, so I would say coming to Imtex with Meba, this is my first time. Though the exhibition is well known for the product portfolio, the companies, and bringing, I would say, all the manufacturing fraternity together. It's a good place to be in. And from Imtex, the expectations is like, the flow of people, the walk-ins, how we are able to manage them, how they are moving towards our stalls is very important. So basically, they should take into account how they have set up the whole place. So there are walk-ins everywhere, and none of the people get left behind. And otherwise, yes, there is lot to see, lot to offer, and it's a good experience being here.
Yeah.
You get to connect. It's more of a networking ground, I would say, for people coming together, understanding the technology, taking something, some cues to improve the manufacturing ecosystem.
Right, absolutely. Adding to the same question, I would like to know what are the product ranges and offerings that you have for this Imtex?
Okay, so from Meba, we are specialist in bandsaw machines. So it's a third generation company in Germany, and we specialize in metal cutting, which is a primary operation and feeds all the secondary operations in the manufacturing unit. So our machines are particularly into sawing for metal bars, profiles, structural profiles, exotic alloys, normal low carbon steel, medium carbon steel grades. So all kind of metals, they need to be cut before they can be processed. So that is what we do. We offer productive machines, efficient solutions, so that your manufacturing lines can be fed properly with the raw materials.
Absolutely. So adding to the same question, I wanted to know what is the competitive edge that Meba has in the market?
Okay, so see at the back of me, so it's Mera Bharat. So, and our name Meba is there in Mera Bharat, and we are here to represent German engineering. So German engineering is world class, and it's not a cluttered engineering. It's very precise, efficient. We build machines that last long, that talk of productivity, efficiency, trouble-free life, and investment into German technology helps you cater to your other business functions in a much better manner.
Absolutely.
We are the first company pan-India that has introduced a centralized complaint management system using a QR code. So the way we are growing, the way Indian economy has to boom, we must understand the need for predictive maintenances and ensuring minimum downtimes in our manufacturing ecosystem. So that is why we are here, and that is what we bring for our customers.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your valuable insights and time with us. So wishing you a successful Imtex.
And wishing you all also success.
Thank you so much.